Green machine right there. So there's all the controls, aircon, preset hydraulics, hydraulic switch, auto steer and auto speed. The stats for the for the tractor, autopilot, speed gauge, can't really see, it's kind of bright outside, but preset to F11, full RPMs. 2 seats, there's a staircase, see a bit of the tracks there. Running a discus across about 1,000 acres of what's going to be turned into almond orchards. Well, that's a 8335. I just got it stuck. Filled this hole up the other day full of water, and I filled it up with powdery dirt. Nice tractor though. 83, running a discus, autopilot with the tracks. 8335 RT, new tractor with big tracks. Very nice.